Hi guys, today we are unboxing and reviewing this Mi TV 4A. It's 43 inches TV, Full HD, Dts Hd PatchWall interface and HDMI. Opening up the box, on the top we have these bottom mounted legs, which we can place this TV on this bottom mounted legs. It's been too late. We have ordered this TV 1 month ago and they are delivered today. So it's been too late, and let's see what inside. And finally we have this Mi TV 43 inches TV, Mi TV 4A. Taking off this cover on the top, and here it is. We have 43 inches Mi TV, and let's see, they provided a smart remote on this, and it's the smart remote. Just we have some case back and a user manual and some screws to fit that bottom mounted legs on the TV. Moving to the components, on the back we have Ethernet port and AV ports, USB port, 3 HDMI and under 2 USB ports and a cable jack. These are the slots we are getting, 3 HDMI and 3 USB ports. And on the bottom we have two 10-watt speakers, total 20-watt speakers. They are saying Dts Hd Ready. And these are 4 wall mounted screws. You can fix it to the wall. Remember that there is no wall mounted clamp is provided in the box. The customer service will help that you. And power on the TV we have that patch wall, and it's a patch wall interface which was providing by Xiaomi officially. This is welcome and few more steps. And there is also not providing remote batteries also, so we have to add some batteries. And while we are connecting this, after connecting to the Wi-Fi, they said there are auto update and my user program also. Going to next, some regular privacy policies, and next, and finally it's on to the finishing. Watch live TV online shows and more than 40,000 CTVs. And finally this is the interface. This is the patch wall interface. The home, VIP, movies, TV shows, patch wall interface. The TV inputs were HDMI, HDMI 2, 3 and AV ports and some more ports. And the apps which were pre-installed was multimedia settings, some of the gallery, TV manager. And this patch wall interface showing some new trending videos and famous TV serials. The patch wall interface was very smooth, and the refresh rate also was very smooth. And quickly moving to up, we have the refresh rate is very smooth, no lag at all. We have more options. Let's see. Yes, there is HDMI 1, 2 and USB ports and TV AV. Moving to the processor, it runs on 64-bit quad-core processor. It's powered by Amlogic Cortex A53 quad-core processor, and GPU duties are handled by Mali 450 MP3 and 750 mHz. Moving to the internals, it has 8GB internal storage, and we have available 5.39 GB after system occupied 1.95 GB and apps some space. And we have optimization options, memory boost, trash clean, and install apps. We have played some of the videos, and the viewing angles are super. It's excellent for this price range. They said that viewing angle is up to 178 degrees. The color contrast was very good.
To wipe out half the universe. If he gets all the Infinity Stones, he can do it with the snap of his fingers. Just like that.
Tell me his name again.
Thanos.
We got one advantage. He's coming to
So
us.
finally Xiaomi is offering some good products in less price range, and Xiaomi coming to the TVs, and they provided some excellent TVs. These are best buy and best for the price you are opting for. This 43 inches TV was excellent to buy. This is it for the video. Hope you guys liked it.